Today is a very sad day in Fortnite. Unfortunately, yesterday, the Red-Eye Assault Rifle got vaulted. And it got replaced by this piece of garbage. Yes, we do have a new weapon, and it is called the MK Alpha Assault Rifle. Very similar to the MK7, but it's been changed a little bit. So the old MK shot really fast and didn't do as much damage. The new MK deals a little bit more damage, but shoots slower. Alright, nearly didn't get that kill. Oh, get beamed. Did any of yous have it? No, you guys didn't. And what's strange is it's kind of rare. Well, not rare, but like, it's not, well, easy to find. Well, never mind. Here it is, the MK Alpha Assault Rifle. So yeah, it works very, very similar to the old MK. Now, I think we all remember how the old MK fire rate used to go.
What?
It was quite overpowered, and I can... Oh! Yeah, this thing shoots a lot slower. It even does have a less... The new MK also has a smaller magazine as well. Still, it hasn't been very long since the MK came back, so I've still got to get used to it. Now, this season, if it wasn't obvious, yeah, there isn't much rotation this season, unfortunately. But I have kind of discovered a rotation thing of myself. So if you have the Soaring Sprints augment and you jump onto one of these, you will go flying. It doesn't take you very far, but I reckon it's something. Oh, I see someone. I don't think I'm going to shoot with the MK from here. I might just use, like, my sniper, unless I can go over. Uh-oh. MK time. Okay, maybe not. Oh! I cracked him. I think there's someone over here. Well, I definitely blew up the car, that's for sure. I need to snipe on someone. Oh. I knew it. Let's go. Oh, you know what? I personally might take the heavy shotgun. Even though this thing has been nerfed. It did used to one-shot absolutely everything you shot at. Now, it doesn't. Now, watch this. It does pretty much most of the damage, but yeah. This thing does not break everything. Oh, there's a guy right here. But don't worry, I reckon we can try. Oh, hello. Can I no-scope you? That was nowhere even near. If you hit every single one of your shots, I'll admit it, yeah, that's when it's going to be good. Not my bad. What are we doing? Alright, he's always got the new MK as well. Okay, relax. Ah, no! I can't miss. Oh my god. Hit a blue. Let's go, get a blue one. Alright, I'll admit, it's growing on me. The new MK really is starting to grow on me. Alright, that's just not fair now. Now you're giving me the Maven. But everyone knows the Maven's currently my favourite shotgun in the game. We all know the Prime shotgun is still going to be my favourite. What are you doing? I stole your kill. I'm starting to really like it. I really am starting to really like the MK again. I just saw someone. Yeah, they're right there. I can snipe you. Okay, never mind. What if I shoot it like a red eye? Will that make me change my mind about it, or will that just make it even worse since it's a spray assault rifle? Ow. Alright. Oh, he had a gold! Oh, we had a gold one. Bro, we had the P90 as well. Bro, my man had everything. Alright. I think I currently like the MK. Let's just run onto the launch pad. And where do we go? Do we go brutal? Yeah, because there's more pads at brutal. Alright, this could be a weird one. I mean, if we just go up... Oh, you know what? I'm going to go up here. Because we don't actually slip on ice for some reason. I know, it's probably the weirdest thing you could ever say. You know, quickly... Oh, what? Don't be up here, please. Okay, he's not. We're still not in the zone by, like, much either. No, we still gotta move in, bro. Okay, this is, not fun. He's in there. Okay, we know that. He's in there. That's the game plan we can have. Oh, he just took the launch pad. It's good. This thing is good. I don't... Oh my god, he used it. Oh! We hit him. I'm gonna run behind here. If he peeks it again... Wasn't expecting to kill him, no. Oh my god, this guy's won. Let's go. Oh my god. There's no way. The MK is actually good. Yeah, maybe it doesn't shoot as fast as it used to, but that doesn't change the fact that this thing is still crazy OP. And there are rumors that there are meant to be a mythic one coming out, so there you go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're enjoying Season 3, if you enjoy the MK being back, make sure to like and subscribe.